What's up, guys, and Happy New Year. So today I'm going to be putting that subframe back together. I know the videos might be a little boring to some people since it's kind of specifically just working on this part for like the last 3 videos, but I promise this is the last one. I've got it all laid out, well, mostly laid out. The subframe is nice and dry. Obviously it's been forever, and yeah, I'm ready to put it together. There are some parts that I'm going to have to replace on these, specifically the hub bearings are both just like shot, but you can't even see that there. But I think what I'm going to end up doing, instead of just replacing the bearing, it's just replacing the whole hub, because I don't have any money for bearings, but I got like 2 or 3 rear subframes in the back, and all the bearings are good back there. So that's probably what I'm going to do, because that's the cheapest, and they actually last a really long time, so it's not really that big of a deal. Alright, so I got the subframe all put back together. Anthony is here helping me out. I stopped a little bit and cleaned my entire garage and the outside too, so that my neighbors wouldn't get so mad. But anyway, Anthony is here helping me with this, putting everything back together. And what he's doing right now is putting in a camber link. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but that camber link is just destroyed. It's sideways. So I have some of these old modified camber links that I cut a 1/4 inch out of, and me and Anthony are going to try to put that in right now. The problem is it is a little still bent.
Just a hair.
So yeah, we're going to grab a couple hammers and make it happen. Alright, Anthony refused to use hammers, but it's in there, and as you can see now that it's in, it's pretty twisted, but we're just going to tighten it up, call that good. He already got all the axles tight, and I got the bushings in, so I think we're ready to put this thing in. I think. We'll see.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. And you want to grab the jack and just put it right in the middle. Alright, now you can go ahead and turn it that way. Right there. Alright.
How did you do this by yourself?
It's really a whole lot of fun. Alright, let's just bring it over here first. Yeah. Let's just push it in. There you go. Want to grab that side and just kind of push it forward.
This one?
Yep. We'll get it roughly in the right neighborhood. Oh. Alright, see these stakes right here?
Yeah.
That's what we need to line this in.
Okay.
So keep coming forward. Let's try to get that jack underneath there.
This way?
Yep. Let's see. Oh, this is gonna suck. All right, so after some heavy hammering, because Anthony doesn't want to hit my car very hard, it went on. He can break my car. It's fine. It's fine, Anthony. It's fine.
Okay.
So now I got the collar, the nut, and the other nut, and the subframe should be done. Good enough. The subframe is in, mostly mounted up. Like I said, the hub on the other side was junk, but I have these two hubs here Anthony's taken off the fender, and we are trying to get ready for PARC tomorrow morning. So hopefully we can make that happen. And as you can see here, I don't know. Does that look good? I don't think that's right. So I'm going to pull this knuckle off while Anthony's doing a fender. And yeah, swap out knuckles. I also have to swap out the dynamic toe steer eliminators, which I believe go right here, if I can remember right. And I already pressed them out of this like a long time ago, so go me. But anyway, yeah, the car is almost ready. It is, what time is it, Anthony? It's like 9 something?
8:16.
8:16. Oh, wow. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We're going to make this happen, I think. While Anthony is sitting over there playing with my shield, trying to take it off of that hub, I pulled this rotor, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty, and there's a bunch of spider stuff in there. So before Anthony cleans it up, I got to get rid of the spiders.
That smells lovely.
And here is the difference between the old crappy hub and the new one, or new used, the one that's going on. There's literally no play in this one. That thing is moving all around the place. So no more variable camber and toe and all that other garbage, which will be super awesome, right?
Yes.
So for you unfamiliar with the FC, this is where the dynamic toe steering crap bushing goes. This is the eliminator that I pulled out of the old one. And I don't think it matters which way it goes in, top or bottom. But the other one is in this way, so that's how I'm going to put it in this hub. And you just get it started with hammering it in a little bit, and then probably throw it in the press. Now don't quote me on this, but I think this is how I set this up. It's been like forever since I actually did these, so bear with me. I probably should be holding this, but it's hard to hold a camera and do this all at the same time. So there we go. Looks like it's working so far. And I just hit some tension, so I'll have to see what that is. Turns out I was just a little paranoid. It went through like it's supposed to, and now I can throw it onto the car, well, onto the other side, and get rid of all that wobble in the back. This thing is awesome. Thank you, Mazda, for building good cars. Last night, we managed to finish the car, but I did not manage to film everything because it just got to the point where filming everything was taking way too long, and we wanted to get it done. We were up till like 12:45, 1 o'clock last night. It's like 7 o'clock right now. So I just wanted to get the car done. I stopped doing the video thing, and we just, hunkered down and got it done. So, like I said, it's done. It's ready to rock. I'm going to PARC today. So is Anthony. If I'm going to try to get this video out before then. And yeah, if you see me out at PARC, come say hi. Tell me what you think of this. Tell me what you think of this. Just come hang out. It'd be cool. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you thought about this subframe thing. And I'm going to give a not a really great review on the subframe modification because I still don't have time to get an accurate alignment. But it's going to be like an eyeball and tape measure thing. So we'll see. Also, PARC is going to be soaking wet, which is really going to throw off everything. So until it's dry, I won't be able to tell how great these things are, but they already look like they're going to be pretty awesome. So I'm stoked about it. We'll see. Find out later today. Anyways, I will see you guys later.